Alright, well, this is a blizzard. This is what everything looks like. It's the coldest temperatures I've ever seen. It's 7 degrees, feels like a -11. And this is the coldest I've coldest temperatures I've ever seen. And it's still coming down, and it's some pretty deep snow. Check out this dog water here. It's like, it's water but not water at the same time. It's like a slush. Now I'm gonna go out in the front yard and show you what that looks like. This is what it looks like in the front. Sorry, I'm taking pictures at the same time I am video. People are actually out riding stuff in this. And yeah, it's cold, needless to say, and this is some deep snow. And this is the good snow too. Yeah. Pretty crazy.